In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Facebook account that's been restricted from advertising. If you've faced this inconvenience, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step through the process to help you resolve this issue as swiftly as possible. First things first, you need to log in to your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with the account that's facing the advertising restriction. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your credentials and ensure you're accessing the correct account. After you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile. This can be done by clicking on your profile picture, which is usually found at the top right corner of your Facebook page. Clicking on your profile will give you access to options that will allow you to address this issue specifically. Next, look for the Help and Support section. This is your go-to area for resolving problems with your Facebook account. Once you find it, give it a click. This section is a comprehensive resource that can assist you with a variety of issues, including the advertising restriction you're currently dealing with. Now, within the Help and Support menu, find and select Report a Problem. This option is crucial because it allows you to communicate directly with Facebook's support team about your issue. You'll want to ensure you choose this option carefully, as it sets the stage for resolving your issue effectively. Upon selecting Report a Problem, you'll see an option titled Include in Report. Click on this to add important details about your situation. This step is essential because the more detailed your report, the better Facebook can assist you. The following step requires you to type in the specific details of your issue. Be as precise as possible, explaining when you first noticed the restriction and any actions you've taken to resolve this on your end. Clear and concise communication is key here. Additionally, you're given an option to include screenshots or videos of the problem. If you have relevant screenshots or videos that depict the restriction you're facing, attach them. Visual evidence can sometimes expedite the resolution process, as it provides Facebook with a clearer picture of the issue. Finally, once you've completed all these steps, click on Submit Report. This will send your detailed problem outline to Facebook's support team for review. Remember, patience is essential here, as it might take some time for the team to get back to you with a solution. And that's it. I hope this guide helps you lift your advertising restrictions on Facebook. Remember to follow up if necessary, and good luck with all your future advertising endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this information helpful.